In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm expecting the price of HLBZ to do, exactly what I'm expecting it to go. You might be surprised with this one, but let's get right into it. Disclaimer, nothing on the channel constitutes professional / and or financial advice. So taking a look at HLBZ, yesterday we kind of were quite flat, 0.42% down. My previous prediction looked something like this. My prediction is still the same. We're going to see that right now. So it was in a super low time frame. I was expecting the price to deliver higher from here. You can see I'm not going to BS you. That was not the case. That was not the case because of the break and all. I was like expecting it to go higher. But do you know what makes sense most like right now the most for me is to continue to break the lows like this to tap into some demand areas. So I'm gonna say I'm bearish. I want to hear your thoughts into the comment section down below. Okay, of course, bearish move. All predictions like that happen, but it's part of the process. Let me know your thoughts on it. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.